gotten our people out of poverty. And the Cabinet Secretary, because I've worked with you as a Member of Parliament and in the Cabinet, surely time has come for us to say goodbye to poverty.
Yes.
We must free ourselves from it. It is embarrassing. It is a shame that God has given us everything that countries can be given. In fact, we should be rich and the ones giving aid to those countries that are giving us aid. They come here with all manner of language they give to us. And I heard my CC talking about pro-poor. Others are talking about food aid, relief aid, children being given some support in school, and you give only the support in school for children who are going to school. Others at home are not getting food. And I thank the three people because they decided that we are going to work together, and I'm going to work as their governor. And I'm very clear, and they are also very clear on what they want. Cabinet Secretary, today we are not speaking in English because these people have had enough English. They have had it in Nairobi, they have had in your boardrooms, they have seen you sign on the TVs and elsewhere. So today we are speaking in our language. And I don't know why DG you are not sitting there so that now you can start translating. Surely, Albert Einstein said, insanity, and insanity means madness, is doing the same thing over and over again and expect different results. This is what the leadership of this country has done for the last 55 years. Let me just say that we have what it takes, not just as a county, but as a country. Look at these minerals that we have in Kitui. CS, you are here today to unlock